Hello there. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nisha and I live in Netherlands. Today's video is all about winter days here in the Netherlands. The cold, the rain, the dark mornings and how nature completely changes its season. I'll take you along with me on my dog walks, talk a little bit about life in lowland country, and share what a slow, cozy, free day looks like for me. So grab something warm to drink and let us get into it. It was raining in the morning. Now just stop for a bit. I came here for a walk with Sufi. I still take Sufi out every morning, no matter what the weather, cold, rain, or even snow. He loves his walks. He gets his big walk in the morning. Then he usually sleeps most of the time until midday. Honestly, he just handles winter better than I do. He has few friends. Sometimes they come here to play with him. Today I think they are not going to come, so we are not waiting for more time. So we are just going back to home. It is one of those cold days again. It's raining and cold and wet. Everything feels different this time of the year. Leaves are almost gone. The trees looks very empty and the days are dark. Sometimes we don't even see the sun at all. It just rains, gets chilly, and the temperature keeps dropping. Nowadays, the daylight is so short, it gets dark before even you realize the day has started. These months always feel like nature tells us to slow down a bit, almost like the whole weather, it feels like you are in the rest mode. Today is a free day, no big plans, just spending time with my dog, doing a bit of cleaning, a bit of cooking, and later in the evening I'm going to the theater. It's one of those simple, quiet days, and honestly, I don't mind it at all. After coming home from the walk, I felt a bit hungry. Usually, I eat breakfast and go for the walk, but I think it got digested by now. So, I'm going to have a little mini meal, some yogurt, and a cup of tea. This tea is homemade, which is called chocolate mint tea. This is from our own garden. And the rooibos tea, I bought it from the farmer's market. I also like rooibos tea, but right now I'm going to drink homemade tea, chocolate mint tea. It's very relaxing and soothing. Now I need to do a bit of cleaning and then start cooking dinner. After that, Sufi will go for his evening walk, and later I am heading to the theater for some cozy time. For dinner today, I am making a vegetarian stampot. Stampot is a very popular Dutch comfort food, especially on cold days. I started by boiling potatoes and carrots. Once they were cooked, I drained the water, then I added butter, salt, pepper, and bit of milk. After that, I mashed everything together until it was nice and smooth. While that was happening, I thought I would keep Sophie busy for a bit. I gave him a little game. I hid some treats inside an empty egg carton and let him figure it out. He had to open it and search for the treats. It kept him nicely engaged. Now it is time to prepare the base for the stampot. I heated some oil in a pan and I added vegan gehakt. I seasoned it with a bit of Cajun spice. You can also use sample if you like some heat. Once that was ready, I started layering everything in an oven dish. First, the vegan gehakt, then the mashed potato and carrot mix. On top, I added some young cheese. I put it in the oven for about 15 minutes and that's it. Dinner is ready. I also made some croquant, a real Dutch special, on the side. Simple, cozy, and very tasty. In the evening, I went to the theater. The show was a kind of gymnastics performance and it was very thrilling. You could feel how much people here enjoy theater. A lot of people come here to watch the theater shows. Most shows need to be booked well in advance. If you don't pre book, it's very hard to get tickets. That's just how popular theater is here. After the show, there were free drinks. People stayed back, enjoyed a drink, and talked about the performance for a few minutes. That's a very common tradition here, and I really like it. Overall, it was a very cozy day, nothing rushed, just simple moments. So, I'm going to wind up this video. I wish you a very good day, and I will see you in another video again. Take care. Bye.